Welcome to Straight Up Math, a channel where I deliver a math concept as simple as possible. If you'd like to try similar problems seen in the video, I've included a link to practice problems in the description below. When you practice, be sure to check your answers. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask them in the comments section. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and send me suggestions on other problems you'd like to see. In this video, we're going to solve equations that involve distribution. So let's get started here on this first one. So we have negative 6 times 10x plus 4 is equal to 336. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to distribute this negative 6 through to both terms and its multiplication to both of these terms. So it's negative 6 times 10, that's negative 60x. And then we have a negative times an addition of 4. It's almost like a negative times a positive, comes out negative, but this will be subtraction. Just make sure you know that this is subtraction of 24 is equal to 336. And then, now that we did the distribution, now we go ahead and address the subtraction here, the subtraction of 24. We're going to get rid of that. To get rid of that, I'm going to add 24 here. And what I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. So I'm going to add 24 to the right side. Over here on the left side, I am left with just negative 60x. On the right side, I have 336 plus the 24. And that's going to be 0, carry the 1. So that's going to be, what, 360? And then to finish this, I need to get rid of this multiplication of negative 60 there. To undo that multiplication of negative 60, I am going to divide by negative 60 on both sides. And then that leaves me with positive 1x on the left side. And 360 divided by negative 60 is going to come out to be negative 6 on that right side. And that's my answer. So let's do the second one. We have 7 times 3x plus 7 is equal to 238. So let's go ahead and distribute the 7 through to both of those terms. 7 times 3 is 21, 21x. 7 times 7 is 49, is equal to 238. Then we're going to subtract, or we need to take away this addition of 49 by subtracting by 49. And what I do to one side, I do to the other, and that's the property of equality for both sides. And we have 21x on that left side. And on the right side, we have 238 minus 49. So I'm just going to use my calculator real quick on that one. 238 minus 49, and that is equal to 189. Then I'm going to undo that multiplication of 21 with a division of 21. What you do to one side, you do to the other, and that will leave me with 1x equals 189 divided by 21, and that is equal to 9. All right, our last one right here. We have negative 8 is equal to 8 times negative 10x plus 9. So let's go and distribute this negative 8 through. And so we have, it's a positive 8 that I distributed through. I was looking at the left side. We have a negative 8 on the left side, and that's going to be equal to, so 8 times negative 10, that's negative 80. Don't forget the x attached to it. 8 times 9, that's going to be 72. So let's get rid of this addition of 72 by subtracting 72 here, and subtract the 72 here. That leaves me with negative 80 on the left side equal to negative 80x on this side, because all that turns into 0. And this turns out to be really nice, because I'm going to undo that negative 80 multiplication right there by dividing by negative 80. Divide by negative 80. And negative 80 divided by negative 80 is positive 1 is equal to x. And the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to switch this around and say x is equal to positive 1. And that is how you handle these problems with distribution. Visit our website to practice more problems like the ones you saw in the video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.